Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, we'll be adding a contact form to your Canva website. First things first, head over to jotform.com, then sign up for a free account if you don't have one yet. Just choose your Google account, click continue, agree to their terms and continue. Once you're in, click on create, choose form, choose use template, then search for contact us. It will show you different templates you can choose from. If you now have the template you like, click on it, then use template. Here you can customize the template, like changing its contents, or click the menu button on the upper right side. You can choose from colors, styles, themes, and layout. Once satisfied with your form, you can now publish it and copy its link. It's now time to put it on your Canva website. Go to your site, then go to the section you want to put it. Just click on the Add Page button on the left. Then, on the left toolbar, click on Text and add a heading. Now, type in any word, and on the bar above the text box, click on the three dots, then choose Link. Then, paste your jot form, and click Done. Then click the arrow beside Link and change it to Embed. Now you can see the form you created. Just adjust it according to your liking. Once done, you can preview it. Then go back to your JotForm account. Then on the upper right corner, click on your profile icon. And then click on My Workspace. Here, you can see the submissions to your form on the Canva site where you integrated it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.